Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews on the best tools for your home improvement needs. Today, we're talking about what I consider to be the best angle paint brush on the market, the ProGrade 5-piece paint brush set. If you're looking for a set of brushes that can handle both interior and exterior projects with precision and ease, this is the one you need. This set comes with 5 different brushes: a 1-inch flat brush, a 1.5-inch angle brush, a 2-inch stubby angle brush, a 2-inch flat brush, and a 2.5-inch angle brush. Each brush is crafted for a specific job, from cutting crisp lines to covering large surfaces. Whether you're painting trim, doors, windows, fences, or even doing touch-ups, these brushes will give you the professional finish you're looking for. One of the standout features of these brushes is the premium SRT filament blend. It holds more paint than traditional brushes, which helps you save time and avoid constantly redipping your brush. This feature also ensures a smoother, streak-free finish on your walls and trim. The handles are made of solid wood, giving you a comfortable grip and control during long painting sessions. Whether you're using oil-based or latex paints, these brushes deliver outstanding results. They're durable, easy to clean, and made to last for multiple projects. Plus, the set is designed for versatility, so you can tackle a variety of surfaces without switching tools. If you've been frustrated by cheap brushes that shed bristles or leave streaks, this set is a game-changer. The ProGrade brushes offer professional quality results at an affordable price, which is why they are so popular among DIYers and professionals alike. So, if you're looking to elevate your painting game, grab the ProGrade 5-piece paint brush set and start seeing the difference for yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on top home improvement products. Thanks for watching.